YouTube. It has been a long time, you guys. The last time I posted a video was about a year ago. A lot of promises were made in that video, which I do apologize. I've been busy. I've been working. I've been grinding. I've been lazy. Like, this whole year, a lot has been going on. There's been so many drops. I picked up so many shoes. I've been reselling. I've been trying to grind, you guys. Hopefully one day we can make this a full-time thing, whether it's YouTube, reselling, something to deal with shoes and clothes, because that's what I'm passionate about. And honestly, I miss making these videos. This has been one of the hardest videos to make, I'm gonna be honest. I've made 3 different intro videos to getting back onto this channel. Like, I film and edit, and it just doesn't feel right. This is the beginning of 2020. Brand new year, brand new start. We are gonna keep this going. As you guys can see from the title today, we do have a ton of stuff to open up. I wanna show you guys all this that I picked up from the week 1 Supreme drop this year, spring summer 2020. I'm gonna be honest, there wasn't that much stuff that I liked personally, and I kind of feel like Supreme is a little bit like they're kind of falling off. Some things are personal, I'll let you guys know what, and some things are to resell. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. We'll open up the bags first, and then we'll jump into the boxes. What we're gonna start with are these tees. Hopefully in one of these packages they have the freebie item, which I will get into, but stay tuned. There's a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway every video, so stay tuned. Even though we ain't Mr. Beast or nothing, we're gonna make it work, you guys. Bag number 1, you guys already know. Nope. Bag number 3. That was number 2, I can't count. This will be bag number 3. Bag number 3. Every single one, you guys. Giveaways for days. We got a box logo sticker. Bag number 4. Another one. Another one. Alright. Let's take a break. Let's look at what we've got. You guys see those ponchos floating around? We've got 6 ballpark Supreme ponchos so far. I wonder if every single one of these will come with one. Fire. Stay tuned till the end, you guys. I promise you guys. Sticker pack. Red box logo. Red box logo. Red box logo. Red. And we got the money. Boom. We've got, this is what, was it the bling? The bling box logo. That's sick. Moving on to the tees. We've got the shop tee. This was a personal. Accidentally bought, is it 3 of these? 3 of these shop tees by accident. You know, we running bots out here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure I get my personal. I'll throw this on real quick there for you guys. Tupac hologram tee in medium, in large and white, and another one in large. I'm actually gonna start an Instagram. I'll link it down below. It will be Tang TV Sales. That's where I'm gonna be posting a lot of stuff that I have for sale, whether it's shoes, clothes, whatever. Link down in the description below, check it out. These next ones I'm really excited about. Again, I bought too many of them though. Another ballpark and sticker pack. Is this my size? Nope, this one's a medium, so I'm not gonna touch this one. But we've got this panel track jacket. I thought this was fire. It has like Gucci colors. It kind of has a vintage look. So that's a medium. I got a large. Hopefully the large fits me. How rude of my camera to just shut off like that. What the hell? We were in the middle of unboxing these jackets, right? Camera shut off. We got 2 mediums. And I was showing you guys this fire jacket and my camera shut off. This shit's fire. fire, you guys. Look at that. I messed with this heavy, but only thing, it does look pretty short. So if it's a little shorter than I like, I don't know, you guys. I might have to get rid of that. But let's throw that on and see. Moving on to the boxes. You guys can guess. They are some decks right here. Guys, these are fire. These are so sick. I mess with these heavy. Like, look at that. It's pretty trippy. It's sick. Pretty decent execution for a skateboard deck. But yeah, these are fire. We are wrapping up the video. We have 1, 2, 3. I can't even hold them all. 12 ponchos, tons of sticker packs, 6 tees, 3 jackets, and we got 3 boards. We're gonna hang this up somewhere in the studio. I'll make a video about that soon, letting you guys know how I'm hanging these up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It feels good making this video, to be honest. Like, it's been a minute and I really enjoy making these. I have more videos to come. Lots and lots of pickups. Like, let me show you guys. We've got pickups on pickups. Don't mind those Timberlands right there, but we got the forest green ones. That's for my homie Andrew. Shout out to you, man. We got a pack from StockX. Moving along, we got some champion jerseys, you know, whatever. We got bins and bins full of stuff, random whole bunch of shit. We got Walter White right there. You guys already know. Thank you so much, you guys, for everyone who made it to the end of this video. Huge shout out to my homie Connor for making the beats that I played over this video. They are fire. If you guys made it this far into the video, you guys know it is giveaway time. We're gonna do 2 ponchos and 2 sticker packs, random sticker packs. It might be the bling box logo, might be the red one, whatever. I will just throw those together. 2 people will be winning those 2 different packs, so 2 winners. I am gonna do a random generator for whoever comments down below. Let me know what you guys picked up last week or what you guys liked about this video. You guys gotta be subscribed, like the video. I was gonna say like the button. Join the notification gang. Hit that little bell right there. This is to show appreciation to you guys, so I really do appreciate you guys following me, and be on the lookout. I'm gonna hit you guys up in the comments below. Whoever wins, I'll get this. Let's leave this running for a week from today. I'm actually gonna be out of town, so hopefully I'll be able to pick the winner in a week, and I'll make a video, I believe, when I'm back, which would be the 18th. So be on the lookout for that, okay? I appreciate you guys. This is Jason Tang TV. I'm out, you guys. Peace.